Okay, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to make a basil sauce. And basically what it is, it's just pesto without the pine nuts. Fresh basil leaves go in, garlic, lid on, and just pulse until smooth. So once the garlic and basil are mixed together, gently add your oil. Once you've added your oil, add in some Pecorino cheese, add in some pepper, just a touch of salt, because remember the cheese is salty. Okay, now pulse again, lid off. Some taste. Absolutely perfect. And that is what you want right there. Beautiful. So what I've got in this bowl is some cream cheese. And what we're going to do, we're going to add the basil sauce or the pesto sauce to the mix. So add in your basil. Now with the spatula, just work it in there. Okay, so now that's all mixed. We're going to put it in the fridge and chill it for about 15 minutes. Okay, next, finely dice your onion. Next, slice your garlic. So now we're going to swat off the onions and garlic. So medium pan, medium heat, olive oil, onions. And you just want to lightly sweat these for about 5 minutes. So next, add in fresh spinach. And this will wilt really fast. And just keep stirring it all the time. Once your spinach is wilted, take it off the heat and put it in a bowl. So now just pour all your spinach into a bowl. Smells gorgeous. I'll let that cool. Look at that beauty. I've got some beautiful salmon for this. And sometimes it'll come with the skin on. So we're going to take the skin off. Or you can get your butcher to actually do it. So there's the skin all off. And it's all free. Nice. Okay, so now lightly dust your work surface. Okay, I've got my puff pastry and I've bought it. You don't need to make it anymore. Just buy them, they're just as good. Fantastic. And I've rolled it out pretty thin, around about that thickness. So first, add some of your spinach. Next, place your salmon on top of the spinach. Next, spread some of that cream cheese with the basil over the top. Once your salmon's covered with the cream cheese, add the rest of your spinach just on top. Now lightly cover the pastry with some egg wash and lightly season. Brown black pepper. And just lightly season on top of the spinach, just lightly. So fold the pastry all the way over, and then fold all the way over on the other side, gently. Now at the sides, just press with your hands, gently. Now gently egg wash this side bit, and the other side. Now gently fold, and do that on the other side. Now gently flip it over, and put it on a baking sheet. Now just shape it, and some egg wash lightly over the top. So now very gently cross hatch, touch of salt and pepper on top. Well, look at that beauty. Let that rest for about 10 minutes. Look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got the cream cheese with the basil, you've got the beautiful cooked salmon, and you've got the spinach on top. Absolutely fantastic. So there you have it, guys. That's my salmon en croute with roasted potatoes, and I did a lemon butter sauce. Absolutely fantastic. So now I'm going to tuck in. So let's tuck in. Let's have one of these spuds first. That sauce. Try this beauty. My cream cheese.